Good morning student, welcome back to our math session. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, decimals. So first we see what is meant by decimals. So decimals means you heard the earth. Okay, see this is earth. In earth is contain 78.09% nitrogen. Okay, then 20.95% oxygen and 0.93% argon. This is gas. Okay, so these are 0.039% carbon dioxide. Okay, these are the so these are the we say that the earth surface have this percent of nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide and 70% water. Okay, earth covered with this all type of gases and water. So here, see here, we use here 78.09, here 20.95, 0.93, 0.039. Okay, here we use a point. Again, suppose you measure your body temperature, then suppose you have a fever. Okay, then your body temperature increases up to 101.2 degree. Okay, so you by using thermometer you know the temperature of your body. Then suppose you have to measure a temperature of a city, then temperature of a city, again suppose this is we measure temperature of sometime in summer season we here 40.2 degree centigrade, then in winter season this is 90.3 degree centigrade. Here we also use this point. So this point is called as decimal point, means we are using decimal almost everywhere in order to apply the concept of decimal. Now we see here these are the point called a decimal point. Okay, now see, you know the numbers like 342. This is number, you know the how to read this number in expanded form. We write the number in 300 plus 40 plus 2. Okay, these are the places, ones, tens, 100. Okay, now how to read the number 342? But when we use here decimal point, suppose we write the number 342, this is 0.21. Okay, so here how to read the number? You have to read the number 342, we write 0.21. Okay, see here 342, this number we write as it is. आपको लिखना आता है. Okay, 42 number name, but after that here we get right 0.21, not 21. आपको combine में नहीं लिखना है. You have to write the number 21. Okay, so this is the number name. Suppose your number is 4301.429. So how to write the number? You have to write ones place, tens place, 100 place, thousands place as it is. So you have to write 4000. You have to write this number as it is. 300 left side आपको ऐसे कैसे लिखने हैं? Okay, 301 point. This point you have to write 0.43 and 9. Okay, in this way you have to write the number. Now suppose here we move from left side to right side, the value of the number decreases. Means यहाँ पे आपको 2 है, ones place के बाद क्या आएगा? Point. When what happen if we move further right from the ones place? So here we get this place. Okay, and this place is called as 10th place, then 100 place and then 1000 place. Okay, now see here, suppose we draw here place value chart for decimal number. So first you have to write here ones place, then tens place, thousand place. These are as usual, आपको पता ही है. After that here you have to write a decimal point. And here we get after ones place, we get here tenth place. Here tenth in fraction, okay? 100, then 1000. These are all in fraction. So ones place आपको पता है, this is 1. 10 and this is 100, not 1000, sorry, hundreds. And after that 100 place, here is 1000, lakhs, 10 lakh. Okay, so 100, 10,000. How to write the 10th place? 1 upon 10. How to write the 100 place? 1 upon 100. How to write the 1000? 1 upon 1000. These are the places when we move from right side of the ones place. Okay, so here we get 10th, 100 and 1000. So after here we get, after ones place is decimal point, then 10th place, 100 place and 1000 place. So what is meant by 10th place? So 1, suppose this is 1. Okay, 1 is divided into 10 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one part is called as 1/10. Okay, you already know that the fraction, how to show this type of fraction. So 1/10 you have to write 1, or out of total 10 part, 1 part is shaded. So you have to write the fraction this way. Okay, so how to write in other way, in decimal point. So यहाँ पे कितने जीरो है? Here are 1 0. और आपके पास in numerator how many number? 1 is already number. So 1 0 है, तो आपको उतने number छोड़ना है. Okay, 1 के बाद you have to put the decimal point. And here is no number, so you get here answer 0.1. सी यहाँ पे 1 0 है, तो आपको आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट यहाँ पे 1 नंबर चाहिए. तो आपके पास न्यूमरेटर 1 है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर 1 एज इट इज. 1 0 1 number. So after that you have to put the decimal point before 1. And this 0, here is no number, so you have to write 1 0. 100. So 100 means out of total 100 part, 1 part is shaded. Okay, so when 1/10 is further divided into 10 equal part, then we get 100. So how to write in decimal number? यहाँ पे कितने जीरो है? 2 0 है. लेकिन न्यूमरेटर में हमारे पास कितने नंबर है? ओनली 1 है. आपके पास एक ही नंबर है 1. सो अगेन हियर इज 2 0. सो यू हैव टू पुट 1 more 0. आपको अभी 2 नंबर मिले. यस, नाउ यू हैव टू पुट द डेसिमल पॉइंट एंड हियर इज नो नंबर. सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस 0 yourself. Okay, so here we get a 110 means 0.01. And 1000, how to write? How many zeros are here in 1000? 3 zeros. But we in numerator how many number? We have only 1 number. Okay, so in 3 0, so you have to put this 1 2 more 0 here. 1 2 3. Now here we get 3 number, 3 0 3 number. Now you have to put the decimal point. Here is no number, so you have to put this 0. 1000 means 0.001. Okay, in this way we write the numbers in decimal point. Now suppose you have to put the value in decimal number. How to write? So here your question is this is number. How to write the number name? 23. Okay, this is 23. This is point. Point को आपको point ही लिखना है 7. Okay, this is your answer. Now you have to write this number in expanded form. So first you have to put this number in place value chart. So 2 3. So this is 1's place, this is 10th place. So 1's place is 3, 10th place is 2, and this 7 at 10th place. Okay, so remember this. So we get the value this way. So how to write the number in expanded form? See here we have to write 2 means 20 plus 3 1's place plus 3 कौन से place पे? 10th place. So 7 upon 10. This is 10th place. Okay, so now see here. Before that you have to remember that 10th place, यहाँ पे जब हम नंबर लिखते हैं तो 1's place सबसे स्मॉल ले रहती है. 1's के बाद कौन सी प्लेस आती है, टेंस प्लेस, दिस ग्रेटर रहती है, उसके बाद 100 प्लेस उससे भी ग्रेटर रहती है. ओके, व्हेन वी मूव ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, बट व्हेन वी मूव आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट, दिस इज 10th प्लेस, 1/10. ओके, that is 0.1. this is greater then 100 place, 1/100. how to write, 0.01. this is smaller. Okay, 10 place is greater than 100 place and 100 place is greater than 1000 place, 1000, 0.001. okay, remember this, 10 place is greater than 100 place and 100 place is greater than 1000 place. So when we move on right hand side, okay, after decimal point, so these are, remember this. Now you have to solve the exercise 5.1. so first question is, read and write the number name of the following. so here I take the second number B, 138.123. how to write the number name? So write the number 138 point, here is point, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we get here all this number you have to write separately after decimal point, but before decimal point you have to write the number name as usual, जैसे आप पहले लिखते थे. Okay, this is so simple. so you have to solve this question yourself in your notebook. Then question number 2, write in expanded form. so how to write the number in expanded form? so 27.3. now you have to write this ones place, tens place. 20 plus 3, this is ones place we write, plus this is 10th place. so first place कौन से की 10, तो 7/10. okay, then suppose second number is 528.13. how to write in number expanded form? 500. so 500 we write as this is 20, tens place 8. we write this number in x after decimal point. this is plus 1 at tens place, so 110, 3 at 100 place, so 100. okay, this is so simple. सिर्फ आपको places याद करना है. ओके, सो सी हियर, सी नंबर. सपोज योर नंबर इज 151. दिस इज लास्ट नंबर H. 151 plus 105. how to write the number in expanded form? how to read the number 151.105? in this way we read the number. then how to write in expanded form? 100 plus tens place means 51. okay, this is expand, plus 110, this is 10 place, 0, 100 and plus 5000. okay, this is 5. here is no need to write this number. 0 आप a place नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. you have to directly write 100 place, but you have to remember this, this is not 100 place, this is 1000 place. okay, so you have to write this way also. okay, so today you have to complete this question 1 and 2 in your notebook. okay, this is your today's homework, and before that you have to write in your notebook, write the chapter name, decimal. okay, this is decimal. again the digit to the right of ones place are separated using dot called decimal point. you have to write this sentence in your notebook. okay, then you have to write this number. for example 345.21. write the number this in number name. okay, so this you have to write only this sentence, this chapter name, then you have to write this sentence. okay, then this name, number name, and draw this place value chart in your notebook. then after that you have to solve the exercise 5.1, question number 1 and question number 2 in your notebook. this is your today's homework. thank you.